Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laurence, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use a mask bracket just like this in keeping you or helping you breathe much better rather than having the mask straight on. Now I use this most especially when I do teach because it makes me sound much clearer. I do find that I sound clearer rather than just having this mask straight away. So if you notice, I do sound a little bit muffled, but if I have this one and just put it over my mouth and my nose, and by the way, this is very good because if you're actually wearing a nice lipstick, it doesn't get smudged directly to your mask. And then you just put it over, put all over your mask, and there you go. So that's how it looks like. Okay, so it gives that breathing space to help with the breathing. So I hope this helps. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. And if you want to know more about how to keep your mask with you, most especially if you don't want it to be lying down somewhere, you can actually check on the link right there. That's where I have a hack on how to not lose your mask just using a paracord or a lanyard that you have at home. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!